Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting the statistical analysis of the evidence strength scores extracted from complaint text, and we will look at descriptive measures, the box plot, and finally understand the difference between a quantile plot and a Q to Q plot. So these are 27 sorted scores ranging from 13 to 70, and all calculations ahead are based on these ordered values. So first, let's look at the central tendency measures. The mean score is approximately 28, which we get by dividing the total sum of 755 by 27, and the median score is 25. Since this is the 14th value in the sorted data set. So overall the data set is somewhat right skewed because the mean is slightly higher than the median. And after that, when we check for the repeated values, two numbers appear the most. For the mode plus modality, both 25 and 35 occur 4 times, making them the modes. So therefore the distribution is bimodal, meaning it has two prominent peaks or clusters. After that, to understand the broad span of the scores, we compute the mid-range, which is the average of the minimum and the maximum values. So 13 plus 70 divided by 2 gives 41.5. So this is not a resistant measure, but it gives a quick idea of the dataset central spread. And then we see the quartiles. We estimate the quartiles by after splitting the data at the median. The first quartile Q1 is 20 and the third quartile Q3 is 35. This tells us that the middle 50% of the scores fall between 20 and 35. So using all the values we calculated, the 5-number summary becomes minimum is 12, minimum is 13, Q1 is 20, median is 25, and Q3 is 35, maximum is 70. So this summary captures the essential spread and shape of the data set. And then using the 5-number summary, we get this box plot, and the box plot spans from 20 to 35 with a median at 25, and the upper whisker stretch at the way the all way to 70, showing an extended right tail, indicating right skewness or high variability in higher scores. Now let's understand the difference between a quantile plot and a QQ plot. A quantile plot shows that the distribution of the data set itself, and it plots the data against its own empirical quantiles. So it is useful to visualize the shape, dispersion, and outliers of the raw data. And on the other hand, a quantile plot compares the data's quantiles with the quantiles of a theoretical distribution. For example, a normal distribution assumed by a decision support system. If the points lie on a straight line, it means the data follows the target distribution well. So a quantile plot focuses on understanding the data set itself, while a quantile plot focuses on comparing the data set with a model. Thank you.